I think drone delivery is awesome, but besides being awesome, it's scaling. It's come a long way over the years. Going way back in history, what was the inspiration behind Zipline?
Yeah. I mean, the inspiration, we were really excited about the idea of drone delivery, and, companies like Amazon had already announced it was coming next year. We decided to go start in a niche we thought just had extraordinarily high value in delivering blood, and Rwanda was our very first customer. And since then, we've scaled around the world. We deliver to thousands of hospitals and clinics. We deliver pharmacy to home. We deliver food from restaurants and e-commerce now. The largest autonomous delivery network in the world, done over 100 million miles doing delivery so far.
What would you say that the average range is that you're doing? So in Rwanda, I'm assuming that it's probably potentially longer ranges than your urban delivery or the suburban deliveries?
Yeah, we have two platforms. Long range platform, you can kind of think of that as like going from a metro area out to surrounding cities and towns. And so in a place like Rwanda, we can cover pretty much the entire country with two of those operations. So it's very long range. And then we have a new platform, which is really our precision delivery platform that can deliver to essentially all addresses. And that has a shorter range, and it's really optimized for delivering inside a metro area to every single address.
I gotta tell you, I saw you posted a video on YouTube. It's one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I believe it was a CVS or it's a pharmacy where your infrastructure connected right into the old takeout window and launched your drones. Is that the future of where this is going? You can just retrofit the old drive-thrus?
Absolutely. Look, I like to think of it as like a portal. We want every business and every pharmacy to have a portal. So your favorite bakery, your favorite restaurant, they just have a little window. They pass their fresh bread through it, and it shows up on your doorstep 2 minutes later.